Okay, explain how you can use side, 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 angle, or angle, angle, side with the definition of congruent triangles to complete the proof. Well, it just says explain how we would use it. It doesn't actually say to write the proof. I'm going to just talk it out. We've got this is congruent to that. They told us that. This is reflexively congruent to itself. And we know that BCA is congruent to DCA. And therefore, through side, angle, side, we have congruence. And because corresponding parts of congruent triangles are congruent, then we know that all parts that correspond are congruent. And so we then know that side BA is congruent to side DA. That's how we would do it if we wrote the proof. It doesn't ask us to actually do it, so I'm not going to.